Hi everyone, out at the field today doing a bit more testing with the Racerstar BR2406 2600 motor. Today on 4S, doing a little proof of concept training here, testing on the Turnigy Plush 40 amp speed controller. So here we go. Ooh, she wants to get away quick. So I have a Turnigy Plush 40 amp speed controller with the testing set to high. Oh yeah, giddy up. I know a lot of people use this speed controller. I've been using it for years. It's very, very durable and reliable. So we'll go into a long... Oh yeah. Winds out nicely. So one of the things that I really like about this Racerstar motor is, you know, it's inexpensive, but it's also proven to be very versatile from a standpoint of props that you know, you can spin on 3 or 4S. I'm running the 6x3 EMP, TGS, KMP, depending on where you buy it from. Wind her out the other way here. Yeehaw, baby! You know, so you got about a $13 motor. Props are inexpensive. The Turnigy Plush speed controller is relatively inexpensive, you know, compared to some others that I use. The good news is I haven't seen any problems on 3S or 4S with it desyncing or skipping or causing the motor to lose power, which I found it did on some of the really inexpensive, you know, no-name 2212 6 2200 and 2212 5T 2700 when I experimented with timing. So it's pulling about, it pulled about just over 40 amps on the bench, which is actually quite reasonable. Producing over 1,400 grams of thrust with this prop, which, nice, which with this plane is 2.3 or 4 to 1 thrust to weight ratio. Just awesome acceleration. When I go from like 50% to full throttle, because this is actually a pretty torquey motor, and you know, a low pitch, battery's getting a little tired, didn't show up there that time, and a low pitch prop, you know, it really just gets going in an awful hurry. Like it's been shot out of a gun. Nice. Okay, there's my alarm. Let's bring her in and land. Dead stick it in here. Show off. Nice. Okay, so let's see. That was actually the second flight in a row on 4S back to back. It is a cool day here today. It's about 4 degrees Celsius. Let me just unplug things here so I don't get bitten by a prop or something. Oh yeah, that is actually really good. It's warm, but it, you know, it's definitely passes the 5-second test. How about the speed controller? Oh yeah, no problem at all, and that's even with it set to high timing. Yeah, battery. This battery's crazy high C rating. Yeah, so that's pretty awesome. I'm also maybe even researching as more things to test. Maybe a less expensive speed controller. See if I can't come up with you know, something for people that they might try that's a little bit less expensive. But this definitely works. So there's yeah, Racerstar 2406 2600, and I've run it. I have video on it before, but I ran it with a different speed controller. I think the Hobby Wing Platinum Pro. So very pleased with that setup. 6x3 EMP TGS KMP. Those are fairly inexpensive. You get them from RC Timer, you buy them in bunches of 5, and they actually end up being cheaper. Like I say, the Turnigy Plush is more expensive now than it was when I bought it. But you know, it's a very, very reliable speed controller. I've been using them for years. So yeah, so there we go. There's really pleased with that setup, and you know, just good solid power all the way through. No problems at all with the, you know, heat buildup in the motor or the speed controller. Again, it is a cool day today, but yeah, I think that that would be a ton of fun if you wanted to experiment with 4S and didn't want to spend a whole ton of money. Yeah, so thanks as always for watching, folks. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone. Park jet noise, the other sound of freedom, baby. Take care.